Hey guys, and welcome to me paintings. My kids are finally asleep, so I have a minute to make my new pour. I will be making just a quick pour because I just don't like this painting which I made a few days ago, and I want to repaint it. I've got some idea in my head. I've got this dark blue, also some ivory, some red, light green and light purple. I really haven't thought this through, so I don't know if it will be working or not. It's just an idea in my head and I want to try it. Let's start. I'm gonna pour this blue all over here. I mixed my own colors and I mixed them half and half colors, half pouring medium. I mix my own pouring medium from glue and water. I use around 60% of glue and 40% of water. I'm doing it like that because I can't buy Liquitex or Floetrol in my country, and the pouring medium which have got the label art pouring medium, they are too expensive for me. That's why I make my own pouring medium. It's working okay. Sometimes I wish I had bigger cells. I think it's because of my pouring medium that I don't have nice big cells. Sometimes I get them, sometimes I don't get anything. It also depends on the colors, acrylic colors which you are using. So if you don't get nice big cells, there's lots of factors which can be the reason why you have or you haven't got nice cells. And I think pouring medium is one of the factors, but also silicone or the acrylic colors which you are using. I just want to cover it all. And then I will pour my colors on it. Looks like that's almost covered. Sorry it's taking me so long, but I need to do this properly so I don't have any color underneath. I'm often using my fingers because that's the easiest way how to cover everything. Okay, I think I got it all covered. What's here? That's just color. Okay, I think now I can start pouring my colors. Let's put some more blue in here. I want it to swim. I want these colors to swim in my dark blue color. I hope it will create some kind of inner space or something like that, but I don't know. You never know. You can guess, but you actually never know what will it create. That's the exciting thing about acrylic pouring, because you always get surprised with yourselves and with mixtures of colors. This is quite nice. Okay, let's start pouring. I want mostly light blue, so I hope you can see it. It's not the best light tonight, but I couldn't do it at the daylight because my kids they didn't give me a minute. Okay, let's pour my blue. As I said, I want loads of blue. Because I love blue color. I've got blue in my living room and also in our office and in our bedroom, so that's why I'm making this light blue. It actually looks a little bit different on the video than in a real light, but I think you can get the idea. Now, some light green. Not too much. Little drops of green. I also like green. Yeah, green is also my favorite color. I don't like yellow that much, and orange and red, but I will be using some red because it's just an experiment, and I hope it will create some interesting mixtures of colors. Maybe some purple, I hope, or I don't know. And some ivory. I'm using ivory because I don't have white. I ran out of white, but I hope it will create some interesting contrast of colors. Okay, it looks kind of weird at the moment, but I hope I will get some nice swipe out of these colors. So let's pour more dark blue over here. That's it. My dark blue, and I will do a swipe. Okie dokie, let's try. Fingers crossed, everything will go well. Oh, that's nice. That looks very interesting. I like those cells and combinations of colors. Let's leave it like that for a minute. and I will use my torch. There's quite a lot of red, well, orange. I thought it will mix into some purple, but it's nice. I like it. I'm gonna leave it for another few moments, and then I'm gonna use my torch and see what it does. I'm mixing some more dark blue. I'll be putting it here and here because I want to have, let's move it so you can see it more like in the middle. Poured some more blue over here because I wanted to have it like that. Okay, let's use my torch. Ooh, nice. Ooh. Wow. Oh yeah, I like this. I like that I've got some big cells and also some small cells around. Wow. Oh, this is really nice. I love how this turned out. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna leave it like this because I just love how this turned out. This is really nice. I love that I've got some big cells and also some small cells. Well, let's see some close up. I'm just gonna put this thing is out of my tripod. Sorry, I've got dirty hands, but let's see some details. Oh, that's really nice. I love how these colors mixed together. It's very nice. And I'm gonna keep it like this. I don't want to ruin it because I really like how this turned out. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope I inspired you to create your own pieces of art. And see you next time. Bye.